Hello students, today we will start exercise 5.4. So what is our first question? Just have a look. Add together. So we have to add these two fractions. So let's have a look how we will solve it. Question number 1a. It's 5 by 8 and 1 by 8. As you can see here, both the denominators are same. Then what you have to how we will solve it? As I explained earlier, if the denominators of two fractions are same, we will add the numerator and keep the denominator same. So how we will solve it? 8, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 by 8. Now we will convert in its lowest term. 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8. So 3 by 4 is our answer. So question number 1, all questions you have to solve in this way only. We will take another example. Suppose it's number D. We have to add 2 by 11, 3 by 11 and 7 by 11. Then how we will solve it? Just have a look. It's D number. 2 by 11, 3 by 11 and 7 by 11. How we will solve it? 11, 2 plus 3 plus 7 is equal to 10 and 2, 12 by 11, and this is our answer. In this way you have to solve all. Now come to the next question. Add the following fractions. As you can see here, in this question both the denominators are different. So how we will solve it? In last class in 5.1 I explained you two process to solve this question. So let's see how we'll solve it. 7 by 12 and 3 by 8. As you can see here, denominators are different. So first we'll take the LCM. 2 6 are 12, 2 4 is 8, again with 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4. So what is our LCM? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. So LCM is equal to 24. Clear? Then what is our next step? Now what we will do? 7 by 2 plus 3 by 8. So LCM is 24 here. 24. So we will divide this 24 with 12. 12 2s are 24, 7 2s are 14 plus 8 3s are 24, 3 3s are 9. Then we have to add 14 plus 9. What is our answer? It's 23. So 23 by 24 is our answer. This is our first process. Now come to the next. This is first method. Come to the second one. LCM is equal to 24. So how we will solve it? 7 by 12 is equal to 7 by 12 into 2 by 2. In this way we will get here 14 by 24. Now come to the next fraction, that is 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 into 3 by 3. Here, wait a minute, 12 2s. Okay, so 3 3s are 9 plus 24. Now you can see here denominators are same. So what is the process? If the denominators of two fractions are same, we will add its numerator. So 4 by 24 plus 9 by 24 is equal to 23 by 24 is the answer. Okay, in this way you have to solve all. We will take another example. Suppose it's number E. So how we will solve it? 3 by 8, 1 by 2 and 5 by 6. First what we have to do here? 3 by 8 plus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 6. So first we will take the LCM of 8, 2 and 6. 2 4 is 8, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. Now not possible. 2 into 4 into 3 4 to the 8 and 8 is a 24. Again LCM is 24 here. So 24. Now what we will do here? We will divide this 24 with 8. 8 is a 24 and 3 is a 9 plus 12. We will divide this 24 with 2. In this way we will get 12. 12 into 1 is 12 here. Then plus 6 4s are 24 and 4 5s are 20. So we have to write 20 here. Now we will add all these 3. 9, 10, 11. 1 is here. 1 carrying 2, 3 and 4. 41 by 24 is our answer. In this way you have to solve all the questions of question number 2. Okay, come to the next question. Find the sum. As you can see here, these are mixed fractions. So first we will convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. Just have a look how we will solve this. 3 whole 5 by 8 plus 1 whole 2 by 3. So first we will convert this to improper fraction. What is the process? We will multiply this 8 with the whole number. 8 threes are 24. 24 plus 5 is 29 by 8 plus 3 ones are 3 and 2, 5 by 3. Now as you can see here, we can't get the LCM of 8 and 3. So what is the way? We will multiply this 8 and 3. 8 threes are 24. Then we have to multiply this 29 with 3. 27, 3 to the 6 and 8. 87 plus 3 8s are 24 and 8 5s are 40. 87 plus 40. Now we have to add this. 87 plus 40 is equal to 712. 127 by 24 is our answer. Clear, student? So in this way you have to add all. What is the way? First we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction and then we will solve this question. Clear? Now we will take another example. Suppose it's number f. Okay, what is our question number f? 1 whole 4 by 5 plus 3 whole 4 by 15 plus 5 whole 3 by 10. So first we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 ones are 5 and 4, 9 by 5 plus 5 3s are 45 plus 4 is 49 by 15 plus 10 5s are 50 plus 3 is 53 by 10. Clear, students? Now we will take the LCM of 5, 15 and 10. With 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. Then we will multiply 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. So LCM is 30 here. Okay, children. Now we will divide this 30 with 5. So 5 6 are 30 and 9 6 are 54. So we have to write 54 here plus 15 2s are 30 and 2 into 49. 2 9s are 18. 8 1 carrying 2 4s are 8 and 1 98 plus 10 3s are 50. 3 3s are 9 and 5 3s are 15. Okay, students, now we will add all this. Okay, so what is our answer? 8 and 4 is 12. 12 and 9, it's 21. 21, 1 carry here, 1 is 2 carry, 2 plus 5 is 7, 5 5 10, 10 and 9 is 19, 20 21, again 1 2 carry, 2 and 1 3. So 3 11 by 30 is our answer. Okay, students, in this way you have to solve all. I hope 5.4 is clear now. So solve all this question in your notebook. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Now next class we will start 5.5.